The Shona word for mother is Amai. Can you say it with me? Amai. Again, Amai. One more time, Amai. The word for mom in Shona is Mama. Say it with me, Mama. Again, Mama. One more time, Mama. Did you know that in Zimbabwean culture, it is never okay to disrespect your mama or your amai? It is a serious taboo, but that's a story for another day. Today, I just want to sing a love song for my mother. Rimwe zuva ndirinda kandichifunga zvangu, ndiani aindichengeta ndichiri mudiki, ndiye mai vangu chete, rudo rwakakomba pamwe, usina baba nasinto letenda. Go and check it out on our YouTube page, Tida na Tipa. And to all mothers out there, I want to wish you a special Mother's Day.